Some clients has been asking us which type of thermocutter is better to trim SGP interlayer remains. The answer is CNC02 orange type. CNC02 orange type. Because CNC02 orange type is for continuously working, it has an air cooling system built in, so it can be continuously working. It can be working continuously. CNC02 orange type can get hotter and faster. If you want to order the CNC02 orange type, please simply send us an email and you may expect answers in 12 hours. Please contact Peter Lin. Our mail address is cncglass.com. Backup mail address is cnceva.com. And you can also contact us on WhatsApp or WeChat app. Let's review for one more time. Which type of thermocutter is better to trim SGP interlayer remains? The answer is the CNC02 orange type. Because the CNC02 orange type is for continuous working, it has an air cooling system built in, so it can be working continuously. So the CNC02 orange type can get hotter and faster. The CNC orange type thermocutter can get hotter and faster. Thank you very much for your watching.